Welcome to this FX Empire review of Zero Markets, an Australian regulated broker which offers more than 10,000 different financial CFD instruments to trade on, covering Forex, Indices, Commodities, Cryptos and Equities. As we can actually see here, Zero Markets offers ultra tight spreads from 0 pips, maximum leverage here of 500 to 1, fee-free funding, and 24 hours a day, 5 days a week customer support. As we can actually see here, the broker is Australian regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, and that is confirmed on the ASIC register here, where we can see Zero Financial Pty Limited. The broker also segregates client funds from their own and holds those funds with Australians' top banks, and the broker also provides true raw pricing. If we scroll down, we can actually see Zero Markets offers the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 and WebTrader trading platform, and we'll be running through the trading platform a little bit later on in this video review. And as we scroll further down, we can see the range of markets: foreign exchange, CFDs, indices, commodities, metals and cryptos. And further down we have the two account types, a standard account and a super zero account. On the left hand side we have a standard account with a minimum opening balance of 200 Aussie dollars or equivalent, spreads from 1 pip with STP straight through processing pricing, and commissions of $0 per lot. Here on the right hand side of the Super Zero account is a higher minimum balance, opening balance of 1,000 Aussie dollars or equivalent. The spreads are starting from 0 pips with access to raw or ECN pricing, and commissions starting from $3.50 per side per lot. The broker also provides some interesting information regarding different asset classes that you can trade with them. So for example, on the Forex page here, if we scroll down, it just gives users a bit of information on trading that asset class with Zero Markets. And if you go further down here as well, you can actually see the minimum and average spreads for a few different markets that are available to trade with. And if it goes further down, just a little bit more information, background information regarding the market and how to start trading it. There's also the same information here with CFDs, and if we scroll down, you can actually see the different equity CFDs that are offered via Zero Markets, and this can include direct market access through their Iress platform for exchange traded products. As we can see here on the platforms page, the broker offers access to MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, WebTrader and the Iress trading platform. And if we scroll down, this offers features such as one-click trading, advanced charting, and we're going to run through the platform a little bit later on in this review. And they offer the platform on Windows, Mac, iOS and Android. Zero Markets also provides some educational resources as well, but trader research and education is quite limited. As we scroll down, there are some articles related to beginner, intermediate and advanced trading concepts, as well as a variety of different platform trading guides. The broker also provides a contact us page, and as we scroll down, this details where their offices are based in Sydney. They have a live chat icon here at the bottom right, an international telephone number and email as well. Now let's take a look at the MetaTrader trading platform provided by Zero Markets. So here we have the MetaTrader 4 trading platform provided by Zero Markets. As we can see here on the left hand side, we've got access to different asset classes, and if we right click and click on symbols, we can see all the different asset classes available to trade in the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. We can also right click and click on show all, and this shows all the different currencies, indices and commodities and cryptos that are available. Here on the right hand side we've got access to charts, and we can actually see here euro dollar. Pretty much the spread there on euro dollar 0 pips, 0.1 pips, pretty much 0 pips there, so very competitive. ECN raw pricing available, and even euro New Zealand here on the right hand side is just a 1 pip spread, and euro yen here at the bottom 0.1 pips, so very competitive there. And users have access to different things. Users can adjust timeframes from minute charts to monthly charts. They can add different indicators such as average true range, different trend indicators like Bollinger Bands and Ichimoku clouds, and many other different types. And users can also trade directly from the chart, or click on the new order button, which will give market execution as well as the ability to set pending orders. To trade directly from the chart, you simply need to click on the buy button or the sell button. A disclaimer will pop up for the one-click trading feature, and once that is done, if we go down to a lower time frame here, and if you click the buy button, for example, you can see at the bottom trade was opened instantaneously, and you can actually see here the commission there as well. And you can actually trade from the chart and adjust the level, so we can left click and hold down on the entry level, and we can drag it down to put a stop loss, left click and hold down and drag it up to put a take profit. And now you can see the stop loss and take profit is actually filled at the bottom. So simple to use, tight spreads there as well. And there are some other features as well, as users can trade on different asset classes here. Now let's take a look at the MetaTrader 4 mobile trading app provided by ZeroMarkets. So here we have the MetaTrader 4 mobile trading app provided by ZeroMarkets. As we can see here on the home screen, we have access to quotes, charts, trading, history, news and economic calendar. If we go to the quote window, we can actually see here a wide variety of different asset classes to actually trade on, and we can see here spread there, for example, on Aussie against US dollar is 0 pips and now 0.1 pips, so really tight spreads there. And we can add different markets on by clicking the plus icon here, and you can see all the different currencies available to trade on. And if we go back and if we scroll down, we can actually select Australian dollar against the US dollar, for example, and that will provide another window to open up an order or open up a chart. If we open up the chart, this gives us a chart of Aussie against the US dollar. We can change timeframes from minute to monthly charts. We can change the symbol from here as well. And we can also add different indicators on, with the most popular indicators available there as well. And if we go back to the chart, we can also trade from here by clicking the plus icon here at the top. And it has access to market execution as well as limit and stop orders as well. And users can add in stop loss and take profit levels by clicking these plus and minus icons, or simply sell by market or buy by market at the bottom. And if we buy by market here, that has opened up instantaneously, and we can see here, if we click on this, we click on it and hold down, it gives us access to open up other things such as closing an order, placing a new order, or modifying an order as well. Okay, and to close an order, just click close order and it will close there. So really simple to use and very clean sort of functionality to actually work with. And that really wraps up this FX Empire review of ZeroMarkets. We hope you found it to be of value and wish you all the best in your trading.